Welcome. This is the project done by HND Year 3 student Salifu Abdullah. The title of the project is Servomotor based electronic hand wash dispenser. Due to the present pandemic situation of COVID-19, the use of hand wash is common everywhere. So in order to open the tap, we have to touch the wall, which is not advisable because many people will be touching the same wall. So this may lead to the spread of virus. So this project is developed to avoid such a physical contact between the tap and the person. And this project also helps you to understand the working of servo motor to control the tap valve using IR sensor and a controller. The main components of the project are servo motor. So this is the servo motor. It's a 5-volt motor. And the next one is IR sensor. And this is the IR sensor. It is also operating at 5 volts. And the next one is Arduino Uno. And here is the Arduino Uno. It acts as a controller. And then the tap opener or valve. And this is the tap opener or the valve. Okay, and this is the accessories and the settings in order to mount the motor. And these are the main components of the project. Block diagram explanation. When a person shows his hand in front of an IR sensor, the IR sensor sends the signal to the controller, and the controller informs the servo motor to rotate. That is, the motor opens the tap valve and the water will be flowing out. Okay, so after finishing the hand wash, the person removes or takes off his hand, and now the controller stop receiving the signal from the IR sensor, and at this point the controller send the information to the servo motor to rotate back to its normal position. That is, now the motor closes the tap valve and the water stops. This is how the operation will be. And now Salifu Abdullah will explain the construction, assembling, and then demonstrates the working of the project.
Okay, to show you how to connect the circuit diagram. This IR sensor, then it has 3 pins. 2 are for power, 1 is for signal. The ground goes to the Arduino, then 5 volts goes to 5 volts of the Arduino. Then signal pin is connected to pin 7 of the Arduino. Then we have Servomotor. It has 3 terminals. 1 is for signal, these 2 are for power. So the signal goes to pin 6 of the Arduino. This ground goes to Arduino ground, then 5 volt goes to Arduino 5 volt. Now this is how to control it. Signal, any obstacle coming in front of the IR sensor will send signal to the Arduino board. The Arduino board will trigger the motor to rotate 90 degrees. So this is how it goes. Now I'm going to power the circuit to show you how it works. Okay, this IR sensor, nothing is in front of it. So if I put my hand closer, obstacle, motor will rotate. So I keep the motor here, 90 degrees, rotate back, 90 degrees, rotate back. Okay, now this is a complete handle for the project, and I'm going to explain to you. We have coupled the servo motor to the opener, tap opener, in order for it to rotate the tap. And you see the IR sensor has been mounted where the water will be coming out, so that any obstacle that comes closer to it will be able to detect and rotate the motor. So that is the connection you are seeing. Okay, this is the final setup of the project. I'm going to explain to you how it operates. When a person comes closer to it, the tap should open without touching or opening the tap. So here I go. So the water is coming out. You don't touch the tap. When you remove your hand, the water stops. So this is the purpose and how this project will go. Thank you. How this project works. And it's automatic. You don't need to open the tap. You don't need to touch anything. All you need to do is to bring your hands closer to the tap and it will be open for you automatically. So here we go. I'm going to demonstrate to you how it works. What you need to do is then
So this project demonstrates the application of servomotor to control the tap valve to open or close the tap. And this also avoids the physical contact between the tap and the person hand. So this is suitable for this present pandemic situation. Okay, but the cost of the project is comparatively higher since it includes the controller to control the servo motor to open and close the tap valve. But this cost can be reduced by using another setup, that is by using a submersible motor, DC motor, which operates at 5 volt and a transistor. So the controller is not part in that case. So thereby we can reduce the cost of the project. Thank you.